Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 14 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create uh, everything that is right here in front, and also we added the curtain doors and curtain walls right here. We added the mullions as well. So now we're gonna continue working on this. What I want to do is to finish up the gate. So we could go to ground floor, and then what we have here is the exterior wall number 2, which is the border wall. So I'm gonna type in SL. So we're going to put in where we're going to add the gate. So I want my gate to start from right here up to here, and then we have also another gate right here. So in those space we are going to delete. After that, let's look at it at 3D and to see that we could add some designs on our gate as well. So here we could also have designs for our front gate, especially here because we want to showcase like the plant that we're going to add here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to edit the profile. Let's go to front, so that will be south elevation, and then we're going to edit something like this, SL, and as you can see we're adding some space on the wall. So we're basically probably going to add multiple like that, make it smaller maybe, and then push it on this side and then do multiple, copy on that corner, and then copy multiple times, grab it on this and there, and then maybe we could just clean up right here, and then SL, and then TR, and then we could basically do our designs from here. And then on this side we're just gonna leave it like this now. In terms of the gate, we're going to create it now using model in place, generic model, click OK, and then OK again. Extrusion, pick a plate, and we're going to select this wall right here, and because this is all same, what we're going to do is we're just gonna create one and then gonna copy afterwards. So I'm going to make this 25 offset, so that's looking good right there. And then we want to make sure to change the material to a metal, and then click apply, OK. And then now the design that I want here is just very simple. I just want something like this. I'm gonna copy this and make 100. What I'm gonna do now is copy it and grab it from there so that we could add in, or we could create multiple ones. And of course we could delete the ones that we don't need. And I think it's not noticeable that the spacing is good enough. So SL, and then basically do one side. Once you do one side, it's easier for us to trim and extend. And then now trim and extend. Okay, so now click finish, and let's look at it at 3D, and we need to extrude it on the right space, so we're going to push it back like that, and then maybe half of the wall size. Go back to south, and then now we could grab it, copy, multiple is already checked, and then we could just add multiple like that. Click on finish, and let's see it again and see how it looks. So now we're going to create the two gates right here. We have a small one and a big one as well. So now let's go back to south elevation, and let's click on this one again, edit in place. We're gonna do it again. Click on extrusion, pick a plane, and we're gonna select this plane. This is already set to what we want, and we want just half of it. Probably what's the half of this? It's not telling me, but at the same time we're going to give some space. So here we could put in maybe 15, or just let's make it 2300 each, and then let's put in some space in the side and in the middle, and then I'm just gonna copy it right here on the other side, so this will create some space on that, and then offset this again to 25 and going from the inside. Again, here we're going to move it at the top, and we want to make sure to do the 25 right here as well. I wanted some space at the bottom, of course, as you need to swing it and you don't want it to be dragging. So now what I'm gonna do is we're going to create this. So we created this, we need to go to 3D in order for us to push it back and to be the same as what we have there, but maybe half of the wall. After this, let's go ground floor, and then here we need to do extrusion again, and then we need to set, pick a plane, and we need to pick this one, and then here we need to create this one, extrude it, and we need to push it upwards. I'm going to use south elevation in order for us to determine which way we want it to be, and we can basically change. So we could change the thickness if we want to. So now I want to go to the 3D. I want to push it back a little. Something like that. So they have different depth. And then go back to south, and once you're set, we could basically array, click on last, and then here we need to add multiple, so maybe 25, and then click it right here, going above, remove the constraint. So right now it's not letting me use array going up, so that means we need to create the same one on this. So I'm gonna select this again, pick this one, and we need to do this right here. Click finish, go back to 3D, put it there, slide it in again, something like that. Go back to south. Once you're happy, do array, put it to last, put it 25, and then you'll be able to put it upwards like that, and it will basically space it out properly. I'm just doing it again because I didn't space it properly, but now everything looks good. So if you move this one, it will space properly. So it depends on how you set it. So I'll set it 25, and then it's spacing everything good. I'm happy with this, so we could just click on finish. So now I'm gonna copy it, so I'm gonna edit, and then select that, and select everything that is right here, copy, and hopefully it let us copy right here. I'm gonna move it and make sure to have some gap. So it's just weird because I'm sure we did. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit this side now. So I'm gonna edit extrusion, make sure this is 25. There we go. Click finish, and then edit group. We want to push it right there and click on finish, and everything will follow. But here, so now the issue with this is because this is all connected, what we need to do is ungroup this, and then everything else let's delete. So I'm gonna try and delete them all at the same time, and then here we could just do everything again, and then now do, sorry, we need to click on array again, 25, and then grab it right here and click it there. And we want to make sure that everything is aligned. So AL, and then at least everything is correct. Maybe I put it around here, that's why it's over. So at least this have been changed. And then we just need to create the gate right here. So I'm gonna go to south elevation again, edit, in place, and let's create again, pick a plane. I'm gonna create actually a small one and a big one. So I think what I can do is I'm gonna close this, copy this, edit, and then copy it again. Maybe I'm just going to put this one right about here, and then copy it again. And then edit this one as well. There we go. Click on finish, and then now we just need to add some design. I'm going to copy, ungroup this one, and then copy it on the other side. And then copy this one as well. So we're just trying to make it fast. And then after that, click on 25 here, and then pull it up. And then we want to make sure to align at the top so that everything looks nice. And at the same time here, 25 again, grab it, use align, press OK, AL on that, and everything will follow, and click on finish. And if we check, it will look like this. I just want to add a planter back similar to what we have right here at the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go right here and select. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit, select this, copy it right here, and then edit the extrusion. And we want to make sure we have this other one as well. And then click finish, and then the one in the inside, copy it again, and add it there. And then click finish, and then we have it right here. I think it's best if we kinda drop it in height. That's still good right there. So I'm happy with the way it looks. I'm still thinking if we should add this one here as well on this side, but I think this is good enough. I'm happy with the way it looks. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.